Okay, so welcome back and let's do the giveaway. We're going to pick up few winners today. Again, leave a random comment to random video for the month and I'm going to give you a giveaway. So this is from the 1st of this month. Okay, now in the next giveaway, what's supposed to be maybe in 10-15 days time will be included from the 26th of February. So make sure you leave a comment and like to every single video. Make sure you're not a bot. If your account is less than 6 months, okay, you will be disqualified. If your let's say your comment is just a random "hey bro, what's up bro, thanks" and all that stuff, sorry, but you don't get it, because there are amazing people there who always give me a great comments, and thank you so much for all of you. Okay, I know who you are, I can see you always in my comments, and probably will do giveaway just for you who are like 5-6 people who always give me a great comments. Now let's do giveaway. Make sure you change your bio, all right, with your wallet address, and that will be sent on your BSC chain. It will be $20 each from me, and one for this video from yesterday. You will get one B share. What at the moment it's around $32. Okay, so yesterday there are too many scams and too many bots actually in my Telegram, what was extremely terrible, to be honest, and yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so this video will be in 1.5 speed, and let's go. So this had 36 comments. Okay, you can go and count them if you want. I just count them, so they're 35 comments, not 36, 35. I just count them. All right, so 35, there we go. So this is the lucky wheel, 1 till 35, and let's spin and let's see who is going to get the first giveaway of 1B share, and that's comment number 27. So from 35 till 27, we're going to have 7 going down, right? So 27. Now let me just go to the video. Yeah, this one. So I'll go all the way. So this is the video. All right, so I'll go all the way down. So 7 from down to the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this Aisha, congratulations. Let's see if your account is less than 6 months. Okay, June 2023. So you have July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Yeah, you are okay. All right, so if I go back to you, I will just leave you a comment. Let me just go back right here. So you win again. Let me just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so you win. Congratulations. And I think I made that. Yeah, you're the winner. Please change your bio with the address and we'll send you USDT, or for you will be B share, right? On BSC chain. Now make sure you understand, it's going to take up to 2 days from today. Now next one. All right, congratulations to you. Okay, that's one. Okay, next one. I'll take this one out. So let's pick up a video. So we have 25 days. Okay, in this month, where is my lucky wheel? There we go. So 25 days, not including today. So that will be 24 because we did the video for that. We did the giveaway. So 24 days. Let's pick up first the day. So I'm going to pick up 5 winners, right? I need to write them down. So this will be number 0 and this will be number 1. All right, so day 23. Let me see if I have any video on the 23rd. I will remove because we cannot do the same again on the 23rd. And if you go to my videos right here, so 23rd, all right? 23rd is, let me see, there we go, 23rd of February is this video, how to protect your crypto for free. I'll go to comments, 35 comments, but that's including if I reply to some of them. Wow, I didn't reply to any, I'm sorry, that's shame on me. Okay, let's count again. Oops. 10, 15, 20, 25, 35. Yeah, that's pretty correct to be honest. Okay, 35. Okay, so I will close. I will don't remove this one. So 35. Oh, the same. Okay, well, let's go and let's see who is the winner. All right. So 35 people going to win now. That's number 18. Okay, 18. Let's go check. This was the previous one. So no. This was 18 and 35. So 18. Let's go and count. I'm getting confused here. Oh, 18. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's from the bottom. Sorry, we need to go from the top. 5 here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15, 16, 17, 18. Very important. Let's see how old is your account. Life is full of surprises and miracles. The world is on straight. Okay, so let's see if you're new. April 2017. Well done to you. Older 1998. Congratulations, you win a giveaway. Let me just write it down. Okay, take you out and like, love. There we go. And I'll post you. And I'll send you $20 USDT. Okay, so you are the winner. Number 2. Okay, so let me just remove this one. Number 18 is I'll close and I'll go back to the videos. Okay, to the wheel. 25. Sorry, I'm moving my face. And here we have 24 days. Okay, so but this needs to be removed here. Oh, no, doesn't. 24, 25, 24, 20. Give me a second. All right, so if it's not the same video, so that's good. Now 15, right? Let's see if we had something on the 15th. Yeah, I got confused with that number, with the 23rd earlier, right? So 15 of this month, if we go to your videos, and we'll see on the 15th of February, we had a video, yes. So hot mem tokens, and we have 70 comments, but that's including mine. So let's see who is the winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 49 comments. Wow, 49, that's crazy. Okay, thank you so much. 36, 37, 38. How many I said? 39. Oh, shit, give me a second, let me count again. Okay, I count again, 48. Damn, I'm getting confused here. 48, right? 48, let's write down. 48. Okay, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, let's see who is the winner. All right, winner, chicken dinner. Let's see. Oh, that's easy. 5 down from the bottom up. Okay, 43. Now, let's go back to the comments. This one we're going to remove from the day, by the way. There we go. So the winner is number 43. If they are 48, that's mean 5 from the bottom to the top. Let's see who is the winner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nice, my man. Right? Make sure next time you leave a better comment because yeah, let's see how is your address. My BNB Smart address. He already leave his address. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look, 1 subscriber since 2019. So that's good. I will send you BNB. I will send you actually not now, but I will just copy paste and I will send you in 2 minutes. Okay, let me just send you straight away. Actually, write down the video. And there we go. I have $100. I will send you right here. Paste. That's your address. I will send you $20. All right. This is USDT on Binance Chain. Okay. Password and confirm. Send. And voila, you are the winner. Okay. And let me go back to you. Congratulations. This one right here. Congratulations. Congrats. You are one winner. I just send you 20 USDT on BSC chain. All right. Congratulations. There we go. All recorded. All right, so how many there? 1, 2. All right, I'll do one more because the video is too long. All right, and yeah, it's just too long. Okay, okay. Next one. Let's go. Where we are? I'm confused now again. All right, 24 days, and let's see who is the winner now. I put here send to this guy. Okay, so that's good. Number 13 on the February. Okay, I'll just remove this one. Okay, and let's go and count again. All right, so let's go and count again. 13 of Feb. 17, 16, 14, 13. I have 1. Okay, cheapest crypto notes. I have 68 comments. Okay, let's count. I'll do just this one, guys, because the video is extremely long. Let me count again. I should give this job to somebody else. 5, 10, 15, 40, 46 comments. And what I'm going to do now is I'll just leave this one and I will just, well, that's good, we already have the number. And let's do, I know how I'm going to give for 2 more people giveaway. Very simple, what I promised actually. I say the first who left a comment going to give going to win. Number 24, right? So number 24, you are done. 24. Okay, let's go from the top to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 14, 20. Wait, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, congratulations to you. Now, let's see if you are 6 months old, at least 600 subscribers. Hey, you're a YouTuber, so yeah, that's good. You have your address, I'll send you straight away, buddy. So 2013, wow, well done. I'll just send you straight away. There we go. I'm sending you straight away. Send, 20. All right, the address, password, confirm, send, and ignore send. All right, congratulations to you. Okay, so let me turn this one out. Let me send you, let me just go like, report, congrats, you win 20 and I sent to you USDT on BSC chain. All right, congratulations to you, let me reply. So let's do, I'll pick up 2 more winners as I said, okay, even it's a little bit longer than I expect. Now, first people who commented, let's see. If there are 2 people who comment because it happened a couple of times, you're going to get both of you and we'll do 1 video. Okay, on the 11, did you comment first or not 11, all right? So let's go here, let's go back. 11 of Feb. Go back 11. There we go. Don't miss this epic. Okay, let's see who is number first. And how I'm going to find out who is number first is top comment, newest first. Okay, and I'll go all the way to the bottom, and you will see the last one is number 1. Who is number 1? First, yay, John! Congratulations to you, my friend. Congratulations. Let me see if you have your address, and it will be easy for me to send you. No, you don't. Okay, John. Congratulations, my friend. You have some videos there. Well done. You're from forever. Well done. Okay, so I'll put like this for you. I will see. Let me just write down who you are, and I will reply to you. Reply. Well done for being first. You win 20. Okay, please add your address. There we go. Okay, Good. I will check this in 1 or 2 days and I will send you, all right? Don't chase me. Last winner, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last winner again, 4. I will remove this 11th of February and I will go again. Congratulations for all of you. And let's see who is the last winner. 1st of February. Hey, 1st of February is 1st of February. Okay, let's should be straightforward. 1st February, do I have a video? Yep, I have a video. And with Lucas. Oh man, the best, one of the best guys there. All right, so who is the first? So you go to top comments, newest first, and we're going till again. So next time if I see things like this, like it. Thank you. I will don't. Let's fucking go. Sorry about my language. LFG. You don't be accounted. All right. So make sure you leave a comment that I know you watched the video. Something what is connected with the video. Hey, well done, man. Well done to you. Okay. So you are the first, and well done. Finally, man. You win. Thank you. You win. Okay. So easy. Well done. You win. John, very close again, man. Very close. Vince, I'm not sure if you win last time, but well done. I'm so happy you win because you always leave a comments there first, and there are a couple of more. 3 or 2. No, man. Please leave me your BSC. All right. I can't send you to this one. Leave me your BSC. Let me see if you can. Yeah, there we go. BP20. I'll send you straight away, man. Straight away. I'm sending you right now. Easy for me. Thank you for that's why I don't need to chase you. All right. Spaced. $20. Congratulations to you. This video is very long. All right. And send and confirm and congratulations to you, my friend. Okay. Yes. Good. Yes. 20 bucks. Okay. Congrats. You win 20 USDT. Okay, congratulations for all of you. Love you all. Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe. Make sure your account is not 1 2 months. It's not going to account. Make sure you leave a comment who is normal, right? Like this one, like the best MA, really informative, and for that Phil and Lucas underdog. Okay, like thank you so much for the great comment, right? Now, like thank you for that. Like thank you again for everybody. Love you all. Goodbye. Too long.